Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamualaikum everyone. Thank you very much for the esteemed judges for evaluating our product for today. Okay, so I would like to share the project that has been planned by me and my fellow lecturers. So the project is in terms of OM Central, which is centralized digital ecosystem for operation management mastery. So before we proceed, I would like to introduce the academician and industry innovators behind the ecosystem. So it is a project that led by me. My name is Razima Muhammad Yusof, and my expertise is in terms of transportation and logistics. And then we have Dr. Suhana Muhammad, which is a senior lecturer of finance, and Miss Hidayah Hani, which is a lecturer for Islamic banking and finance. Okay, so the problem statement included is in terms of the information fragmentation, which creates extreme digital fatigue for modern students. This problem statement includes three main points, which is the first one is in terms of fragmented communication, where students are forced to rely on multiple disconnected academic platforms just to find basic syllabus information. And then the second one is the problem is in terms of high cognitive load, because students nowadays, they are exposed with lots of information that they can find online. So energy is wasted on search friction and navigating complex authentication steps rather than mastering the actual content. And then the third one is in terms of static repositories, which is basically before this, traditional education relies on linear folder-based filing system that fail to mirror modern digital consumption habits. Because today, people are usually more interactive, and then in terms of the content they consume is very reachable. And then this is the product, which is OM Central. We centralize the operation management curriculum into a single visual hub. So all syllabus for this subject, which is operation management, MGT 345, it includes in terms of lecture notes, tutorial recordings, in terms of assessment trackers, and then it includes in terms of a high impact digital learning ecosystem, which explicitly designed for operation management curriculum. It helps in terms of shifting students into from a passive static repository to a dynamic learning system. And then in terms of agile micro-learning, which applies modern micro-learning principle to transform a rigid linear syllabus into easy to navigate and chronological pathway. Okay, so M Central overcome in terms of zero barrier accessibility, which replace rigid text heavy learning system. So students can use this Padlet to scroll in terms of recordings, in terms of assessment, in terms of the instruction, and then in terms of doing calculation, because this is a calculation subject. So if they want to do exercise, and they can access to the answer scheme provided. Okay, at a glance, this is the product that we produce, which is, it includes in terms of the usage of Padlet platform. Instead of using various platform, we utilize only one single platform. And then it includes in terms of weekly column. Since we have 14 weeks of studying, so we need to differentiate between the week 1 until week 14. And then we have multimedia integration, seamlessly embedded real-time video tutorial, PDF textbook, resources, and lecture notes, which is instantly available. And then live synchronization. This is in terms of students providing feedback based on question provided. Okay, and then this is the process of providing or coming out with this product, which is phase 1 in terms of briefing and brainstorming, and then preparing content, digital onboarding, ecosystem utilization throughout the 14 weeks of this semester, and then continuous improvement. As you can see in the Padlet, students at week 14, they provide in terms of the feedback for their learning experience. And then this is in terms of the democratizing high quality education to bridge digital device. divide. So basically, this product aligned with SDG 4, which includes inclusive, high quality educational resources to advance global education standard, and by bridging the divide, zero barrier digital interface ensure equal access for students for all economic backgrounds, easily functioning on basic mobile data, and then it helps in terms of students' mental well-being. Okay, so this product also champion in terms of zero waste pedagogical model. It helps in terms of digitizing the ecosystem, less using papers, and then carbon reduction and sustainable future, sorry. And then in terms of the novelty of this product, it model a lean operation to foster an entrepreneurship mindset. In MGT 345, there is a part where we learn about lean operation. So basically, this product applies in terms of whatever being taught in the syllabus. Okay, and then the commercial aspect of this product is in terms of a subscription ready blueprinting model, drives commercial scalability. And then in terms of standardizing the digital cost hub for the global tech sector, which is we target in terms of the market for global education technology. And then the offering is in terms of licensing. And then in terms of the benefits, in terms of uniform branding and optimized student engagement. So students are not being confused by various platforms. We are using a single platform in terms of them accessing all the resources available. Okay, so this is the explanation about the streamlining digital onboard for corporate logistics and manufacturing. And then to conclude everything mentioned in this presentation, digitizing knowledge management for a sustainable tech-driven economy. This is the objective of this product. M Central bridges the gap between traditional academic delivery and modern digital efficiency by optimizing the operation of the classroom itself. It empowers the future workforce with the streamlined process required for a sustainable tech-driven world. The link for the product is provided in the extended abstract. I really hope that you can go through and see yourself in terms of the experience using OM Central. Okay, that's all for my presentation for I-TIEC 2026. Thank you very much for watching, and Assalamualaikum.